Government entity. Government, it is a very serious issue about the fruit trees are the losing, or the fruit farming, it is a losing their level. In such condition, government realizes the need of area expansion of fruit crops. Government have very ambitious to the programs of a fruit development, under which we give the 100% subsidy to the marginal farmers, and the marginal farmer and the farmer from the backward communities, and the 70% subsidy for the other establishment and the maintenance of a fruit orchard for the period of 3 years. Government, it is very serious and ambitious, and the study the problems of fruit crops are the reduces. In such condition, governments have started some programs. The first program, they give a 100% subsidy to the farmer. Which farmer? Which are the from the backward classes, they have a give 100% subsidy to cultivation of fruit crops. After that, the second program he have started, such as maintenance of a orchard. It is nothing but a like a garden, like a nursery. Orchard, it is a structure in which fruit trees are the cultivated. Maintenance for the 3 years, government give a 70% support or the income or the subsidy to that orchard maintenance. Government have give this incentive, and the most of a young generation have a think about the fruit cultivation and their career in that pomology. Scope for the export fruit. Market survey in Europe and other market have revealed that a good scope or export of a grape, mango, banana, pomegranate, citrus, bear, cashew to the Gulf and the Europe market. The availability of this market would be increased area under the fruit. Nowadays, we can do the export by the transport facility by the sea, by the rail, or the by the road. Scope from the nation to nation, through which we get a proper price to your product. Which product? Like in a Europe or the Gulf market, there is a highest demanding product, which are fruits are like a grape, mango, banana, pomegranate, citrus, bear, or the cashew. It is some fruit. The Europe and the Gulf market, they have a most demanding from the India, due to which there are the more scope only exporting of a fruit. Cultivation also having the one of the benefit, but we do not cultivate fruit. We can do the export from the one country to another country. That is the one most scope. Employment generation. Agriculture sector need a more skilled labor forces to conduct the daily activities. The labor supply in India is a much cheaper than the other country, hence the providing greater opportunity for the maintaining the different activities of the farm. Employment generation in India, employment, it is a very easily can achieve. Skill labor, and the skillful person can easily observe or the acquire in India, so that agriculture industry or the employment generation, it is totally based on the agriculture sector, so that the employment to the giving the generation employment, the fruit cultivation, it is more important. For example, nowadays different technology are increasing. For example, any agriculture crop like wheat, there are harvester announces, or the harvester are there present, due to which labor are the reduces. But in sense of fruit crops, there is a no any harvester or the no any techniques to which harvesting that fruit or the skill person require in that field. For that purpose, employment generation, fruit tree cultivation, it is important. Very high production and the suitability climate for a fruit. Very high production, it is one most tree one most crop tree we giving the high production as compared to the other tree. The productivity of horticulture crop is a more than the other crop like a cereal, pulses, and from the same piece of India. That is the only one fruit trees that giving the higher production than the other crops, such like cereals, pulses, and the other plant. From the other plant, they giving the more production of fruit trees. India is a best way diverse the climatic conditions such as a tropical climate, temperate climate, and the subtropical climate, which is feasible for the most of fruit trees. India is the best way they can develop three types of condition, or the three types of fruit tree can be developed. There are the tropical, subtropical, and the temperate zone, through which all type of fruit cultivation do in these three types of climate, so that productivity it is more and the climate it is suitable. There is a one most reason we can do the fruit cultivation. Next, most of a new generation or the person thinking about the what benefit when we do the cultivation, what benefit we get. In such condition, there are the host of benefit. First, it is a high productivity. High productivity from a unit area, land more yield realizes from the fruit crops than the any other agronomic crops. The average crop, papaya, banana, grapes, are the 10 to 15 times more than any agronomic crop. The first benefit, that is high productivity. Than the any other crops, the fruit crops get to 10 to 15% more productivity. Then high net profit. Through the initial establishment of orchid, high compensated by the higher net profit due to high productivity, high value can be produced. First, it is a high net profit. High net profit, the first only one investment, that is the orchard creation. After the orchard creation, they can develop. After the orchard creation, they can develop high quality of a fruit, due to which they in international market as well as national market, they get a proper profit in the in sense of a price, in sense of that plant product. Then source of a raw material for the agrobase industry. Source of a agrobase industry, I have explained. Agrobase industry, generally it depends upon the 70% industry depends upon the fruit trees, such as a fruit farming providing the agrobase industry, such as a canning and preservation of a fruit canning and the preservation, they got a proper raw material. Coir industry, it is depend upon the coir husk. Pharmaceutical, that means different types of crude drugs are prepared, or the some medicine are prepared industry, it is a one most of a agrobase industry, that is the base on the fruits like anona, papaya, jamun. Transporting and the packaging industry, that are the some source required for the industry, that may be coir industry, pharmaceutical industry, fresh fruit industry, packaging and the transporting industry. All industry require the raw material, and it is totally based on the fruit crops or the agriculture crops. Efficient utilization of a resource. Growing of fruit being a perennial in nature, unable to grower to remain engaged throughout the year of farm operation, and they utilize fully resource and asset like machinery, labor, land, water for the production purpose throughout the year, and the compared to the agronomic crops. Efficient utilization of resource. Only one these fruit crops, they can help to utilizing all resources that can available in that area, such as that can be water, that can be labor, or the any other machinery that can be required. Efficient utilization in this fruit cultivation, that can be efficiently utilizing. I have explained example wheat, there are the harvester, but only fruit trees, the harvesting of fruit, it is depends upon the skill labor. The water giving, it is a total depends upon the skill person only give to water. If some fruit tree it is very dry, that give more water. If some tree the soil it is a moist, but we give a large amount of water, that plant will be die. In such condition, fruit crops require a skilled people, and the efficient use of resources can be done by this. Utilization of a waste and the barren land production. Utilization of waste and the barren land. Barren land, that means land it is not in a use. Also, most of the fruit crops require perennial irrigation and the good soil for production. There are the many fruit crops which in nature, mango, bear, cashew, custard apple, anona, falsa, jamun, which grow on a poor, shallow and the undulated soil considered as a unsuitable growing or the grain agronomic crops. For example, wheat, ragi, 3.0 to 4 hotness, 25 to 35 lakhs per. Grapes, mango, 20 to 40 hectares, about the 1.5 to 2 point lakh hectares. That are the utilization of a waste barren land. Utilization, that means some land it is a barren, it is not in use. In such condition, different fruit crops can be cultivated in that area, and utilization, we can utilize that land and the fruit productivity can be done. Which type of fruit productivity? Like a grape, mango, banana, 20 to 40 hectares area we get a 1.5 to 2.5 hectare lakh per in a hectares. The foreign exchange, many fresh fruit processed product and the species are exported to the several countries, earning to get a good amount the foreign exchange. That is foreign exchange. In a most of the foreign country we have to exchange some fruit material through which we get a proper benefit or the proper amount of our food product. Which are fruit product? Like fresh fruit or processed fruit or the packaged fruit that can be transport to the another country, through which we get a proper income. Nutritional importance, we have to see the economical importance, how we get a economy from that cultivation of fruit crops. Now nutritional, that means how we get a benefit to the nutrition. Fruits are the good source of vitamin minerals without which human body cannot maintain proper health and develop resistance to diseases. They also contain pectin, cellulose, fats and the protein. Fruits are the good resource of vitamin and the minerals without which a human body cannot maintain proper health and the develop resistance against the diseases. They also contain pectin, cellulose, fat and the protein. Human body to maintain their proper health. Human body to maintain their proper health, we need to consumption fruit. The fruit composition are the protein, fats, lipids, vitamin, and the one most importance, resistance to specific diseases. Fruit are a importance fruit in a human diet is a well recognized. Man cannot live on a cereals alone. Any human cannot eat only cereals that can be fulfill their life or the growth. It is not done on the only cereals or the any other agriculture crops. Fruits are essential for the balanced diet, good health. Fruit are essential for the balanced diet and a good health. Nutritional advocate that 60 to 85 grams of fruit. Nutritionals, any nutritionist has the advocate to eat or the consume to 60 to 85 grams of fruit. Vegetable per capita per day in the addition to the cereal, pulses and the egg. Fruit are the needed. That means any nutrition to the body, fruit it is important. Not only cereals and the vegetables we can grow properly. That is the nutritional importance. This is about the first lecture or the first point, that is the scope and the importance of fruit crops. I hope you have understand all points. If you have any doubts related scope and the importance of fruit crops, please comment below the section.